Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel OKT1 and I'll show you how to mute a notification sound on this device. So let's just first launch the settings application and then scroll to the sound section. Then you'll see here the ring and notification button panel. Now just to mute your device notifications, you should swipe this dot to the left side on this volume panel. By this way you will mute not only ringtones, also as notifications. So that's why if you want to mute notifications and you want to stay with the ringtones, I suggest you just to click here to advanced, tap to default notification sound and switch currently sound just to none. Then click here to OK, and by this way you'll mute all notifications, but you'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.